Hi, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be sharing with you how to change out the content carousel slides on your home page. Content carousel is made up of 3 images. Usually in this case they're going to be JPEGs because they're usually photos, which makes the best image in JPEG form for photography. And we're going to be changing out one of these slides to replace it with a different slide. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to have an image already created to replace, and it needs to be in the same dimensions as the pre-existing one that I'm going to be replacing. To determine what size that image is, I can, within Firefox, and some browsers have this, and Firefox makes it really easy, so depending on what your browser is, this may or may not work. But what you want to do is right-click, and you can do View Image Info, and it gives you specifically what that dimension of those images are. In this case, it's 735 by 355. If your browser doesn't support that capability, you can copy that image and take it into an editing software to be able to, or to be able to determine what that size is. You can also put it on your desktop, and there's ways to be able to determine what size that is. Too far to be able to go into right now to be able to show you exactly how to do that, but if you can, use Firefox, and that makes it a lot easier. In order to change out one of these slides, we're going to go to the admin console, and I want to go to the topic that's for the content carousel. I'm going to hover over content and then go down to manage topics. Look for a topic here that probably has content carousel in the name of the topic. Mine is right here, so I'm going to choose this one. Yours may be named a little differently, but once you go into that topic, you'll see then in the WYSIWYG editor, there's a few images, and they kind of stack one on top of the other. It makes it difficult to see which image is which, but in this case, we're just going to click in this top one, which is our first one. It does stack the 3 slides, one on top of the other, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So 1 on top, 2 in the middle, 3 on the bottom. I'm going to click on one, this very top one, and you'll see that there's little bounding boxes, if you can see in the corner here in this video. That lets me know that I've clicked on that particular image. I'm going to then choose Image Manager, and once this opens, I'm going to then go and switch over to Upload Image, and I'm going to browse to my local computer to be able to find the image I want to upload. In this case, I have a folder that's out here that's called New Slide. I'll go into that, and this is the new slide that I want to have show up in my content carousel. So I'm going to select that, click Open. It will put it here where it's going to be uploading from, and then I simply click on Upload. Once that's completed, you'll see that I now have the slides. Again, a little difficult to see in these smaller windows, but this is the slide I want to be placing in place of that first slide in order for it to change for my content carousel. I'll then, after it's uploaded and I see that successful, I select Insert. And you'll see that very top image now, if I scroll down through, that top one is now changed to my new image. I can also change where this image actually links to. I'm going to click on it again, and then I'm going to use the hyperlink manager and click on that, and then I can choose a place where I want that to go. Let's go back to our site, and let's pick a place that we want it to actually go to. I want that first slide, for example, to go to ammunition. I can click on ammunition, and once the site goes to that URL, I can simply go up to the address bar and select this portion of the URL. This is the destination that I want that slide to go to. I'm going to copy that into my clipboard on my local computer. Anything prior to the / isn't necessary, so I just need anything that shows up after the / in the URL. Switch back over to the admin console, take anything out that currently exists in where it says URL, and then paste that location into where it says URL. Now what I can do is then click OK, and it takes on that that's where it's going to go. You can see that image kind of changes with an overlay of slightly color of blue. It's just letting you know that it's taking effect. If I click off of that, you'll see that it goes back to the normal way it looks. Now I can just scroll down here to update topic. Once that's completed and has successfully been done, I can go back to the site, and now if I go back to the home page, you'll see that I now have a new first slide. I can click on, you'll see as I go to 2 and then go to 3, those are still, but if I click on 1, I'm now on my new slide, and if I click on it, it now goes to that ammunition page. And that will do it for this video to let you know how to change out your content carousel slides. Good luck with that, and thank you very much.